welcome back. I'm April, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve the ceramic look on your thrift store vase using paint and baking soda. This is an easy DIY project transforming home decor around your home for the fraction of the cost. Instead of buying these expensive vases back here, you can do it yourself in your own style and in your own way. If that's something you like, keep watching. I got this bottle from my local thrift store for $3, and this is what I'm going to be transforming into the ceramic vase. Look how big this is. It looks like a wine bottle, doesn't it? So this is what I'm going to be using. So let's get started. First step, I'm going to be pouring some paint in the bowl. And then I'm going to be applying my baking soda. It looks like a mousse consistency. Then all you need is paint, baking soda, mix it real good with a spoon, get you like a bowl to mix it real good, and then all you need is a paintbrush. Let's get started.